Morning, you guys. You saw me do a video recently, like an hour ago. I'm out of mayonnaise. So I have been wanting to try Brittany Williams from Instant Loss's mayonnaise recipe. So you're going to watch me do it. So it's either going to be a flop or it's going to be a great thing. So she said 1 egg at room temperature. So I have an egg and it wasn't at room temperature, so I submerged it in some warm water and you drop it in the following order. So there's my egg. And I've never made this, so we're gonna know if it's a flop or a fail. I've got my ingredients here. It's the most expensive mayonnaise I've ever made. Her recipe calls for 1 1/4 cups of avocado oil, so that used the rest of my avocado oil. And it says the following order, so I'm gonna put this in. In fact, I'm gonna get a spatula to scrape this out. It's too expensive to waste even a drop, so I'm out of avocado oil now because of this mayonnaise, but if it comes out good, we'll find out. Hers looks delicious. Then you do 1 1/2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Would you believe this is the only thing I had for yellow mustard, this giant thing I opened up, just for this little bit of mayonnaise. So 1 1/2 teaspoons. I am measuring because I'm gonna follow her recipe to a T and hope for the best. Let's see, that's 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna level it off. Can you even see what I'm doing? Oh, into the lemon juice, oh boy. That's 1. I don't know if she measured it precisely, but I'm going to do it precisely because I want it to come out right. Let's see, where's the other half? This is a half? I'm making a mess already, you guys. Half. Hopefully that's 1 1/2. Then you put in 1 teaspoon of cider vinegar. I did not get that out. I'm gonna shake it up. My measuring spoons are a disaster. Would you make mayonnaise? Have you made your own mayonnaise? So 1 teaspoon. That's going. Then it is yellow mustard, lemon juice. So here I have to squeeze some lemon. It's 1 teaspoon, and I have a little old-fashioned juicer here. I do have the other juicer, but I thought this might be easier to come up with a teaspoon out of doing it in this little juicer. Let me move this giant mustard. Oh my gosh, it's heavy. Yeah, I never run out of anything. I'm pretty good with my grocery orders. Let's see if that's a teaspoon. Half the lemon. So 1 teaspoon lemon juice. We got a mess going on with this. Let's see. It might be a little more, and if so, I'll put it in some tea. It is a lot more. Okay, and then it was a 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon is this one. And I'm gonna put that in my sea salt. Can you even see nothing I'm doing? This is my sea salt from Kirkland, which is Sam's Club. And the last ingredient is 1/8 teaspoon of honey, raw honey. So I have a 1/4. Let's see, what's next? That's it, I have a 1/4, so I have to do 2/4. And my honey is hardened, which doesn't mean it's bad, just so you know. It's perfectly fine. If you put this in the hot water, this is raw honey. I put this in a little bit of hot water, and that's 1/8 teaspoon using 2 and my fingers. I think that's everything. Now here's when it's supposed to be the magic. Let me make sure I read everything. 1 large egg in the bottom, 1 1/4 cups of avocado oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 1/8 teaspoon of raw honey. Then you use an immersion blender. This is an immersion blender. My mother gave me this when I was young, and if you know, you know. They do make them cordless. They probably make it much better. She said pulse it, but don't lift it up and down. Just keep pulsing it until it emulsifies and it'll thicken on its own. We're gonna find out together, guys. I have everything in your way. I don't know. It seems like the magic's gonna happen. It's supposed to emulsify. If this comes out good, which I can't imagine it wouldn't, I will be It's going to be an expensive mayonnaise to make, but it's going to be my breakfast today with avocado. She said doing it in a wide mouth jar. I had plastic lock and lock. I have a wide mouth jar too, but I wanted to make sure. I'm sorry, you guys. I wanted to make sure this container was big enough. Let me read the instructions here. I'm using my iPad for instructions, and okay. Submerge the head in the immersion blender in the jar. Begin to pulse ingredients. Do not move head up and down. Keep it still. When mixture begins to emulsify, draw the head of the blender up towards and begin to incorporate the oil. I'm hoping it thickens. It's delicious. It doesn't look thick to me. I'm doing something wrong. It says, when the mayo fully combined, place lid on jar and store it. So I don't know why it's not thick. Hers was thick. I'm not going to have thick mayonnaise. I'm going to go back and watch. I don't know, guys. I'm a failure. It's a whole lot of money to be a failure. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe it's going to thicken. I'll let you know. I'll be back. I'm going to keep whipping this and see what happens. So I'm going to call that my flop. It's not thick. It's thin and runny. Hers does not look like this, so I don't know what I've done wrong. I tasted it, and I don't like it. What a waste of money. And there you have it. Mistake number 149 million in Lori Rayner's kitchen. Lori Gaga, Lori Trombley, Lori whoever I am these days. Lori Trombley. I'm going to write to her and say, what did I do wrong? Because that's a nasty mess. Did it look good? It looks good on hers, but it doesn't look good on mine. That is not thick. That is just a dressing of some kind now. I don't know what to do with it. I don't really want to throw it away. And I don't even like the taste. Give me my Hellmann's. Sorry, guys. That's my failure. Brittany Williams, not mayo. I don't know what that is. I'm being honest.